Unique, what we're doing.
Dying in a coffin.
And how's your coffin look like?
Red and dirty.
We're in the bus for 7 hours to Da Nang.
Hoe vind je het gaan?
Een avontuur.
So we just arrived at the Quinn Riverside Villa. We have these two beautiful beds. We are switching to a different room because we booked this one just a couple of hours ago, like an extra night. So we have a nicer room today than we will have tomorrow. But look at the view. This is the river in Hoi An. And down there is the pool and the garden. And then over here, which might be my favorite part, we have, well, I really love the sink also, but we have a bathtub with a view.
Unique, what are you doing?
I'm walking down the stairs. The end. Good evening from Hoi An. We have arrived a day early, which we had decided a couple of days ago. But lucky us, it turns out to be the first day of the new month. Is it the lunar calendar?
Lunar calendar.
Anyway, it's like a Buddhist special day. So there's gonna be lanterns.
And there's many altars and people offering and...
Yes. And now we get to enjoy that because we came a day early and I feel so lucky. Do you feel lucky?
You deserve it.
Shop. Fashion show. Oh, look at his new shoes. Did you show them on the vlog already? No. Yay, new shoes.
Let's go, boys! Woo! We're trying for this. Good shit. All of them.
Good morning.
Good morning. So colorful. So it's finally sunny with blue skies. I made friends with Gary the Snail. He's awesome. And I'm just relaxing here at the pool. It's so sunny.
We finally have some sunshine.
I love the sun. Nee, nee, don't ruin the shot. It's ruined. Almost run over by a motorbike.
To you, not to me. What are you doing, Steph?
Buying elephant pants
Nice.
in purple.
Of course, purple everything.
Cookie. What are you doing?
How do I look?
Like a tourist?
Do you have I'm done. Was je me aan het filmen?
Ja.
Top.
You're happy with your hat?
I'm happy with my hat.
Amazing.
Happy head, happy hat.
Happy wife, happy life.
Yes.
But you're not my wife.
Well, according to the Vietnamese, we are.
I'll leave it down over there.
Ken je dat? Dit is een rambutan.
No. She lost her mind. We're going to the coconut spa. We get 30% discount if we do a review, and I will cross the street. I will die. Yes.
Yeah, okay.
Where's your Cleo? First time I'm having morning glory. It's really nice. And the pasta is also. Ik verslik me voor morning glory.
Oké, even rusten.
Oké, ik leef nog.
Je is nog steeds aan het filmen. And that's how Steph died.
Dit is wel echt een skill hoor. Dit is echt moeilijk. Het is net zoals met noedels en spaghetti. Wow. Like my hair.
Come on.
Come on, thank you. Let's try. Huh?
Very good.
Mmm.
Good.
Yeah.
I like it.
What's the name? How's it called?
Boom.
Pung. Okay.
Okay, one more.
No, that's okay.
Oh.
Thank you. Have a good night.
It's really nice.
Ik wil het tegen je zeggen.
Zeg
Dit
het.
is toch echt de laatste plek waar je je voeten wil laten masseren. Draai even de camera om. Gewoon midden in de party street.
It is something. Come on. Amazing, all the art. Trust in me when I say. It's also quite heavy. It's like pocket or laminates. Unique found a new friend.
Well, he was friends with me this afternoon, but now he doesn't want to be friends anymore.
I think he's tired. Hello.
Daar beneden ook al, want er zit een dobbelworm.
Whoa. Look, the river has overflown because there was rain in the mountains. And the water, look, it's still coming. Look, look, look. The water is getting higher. The complete street where we just walked an hour ago is flooded. It's just water.
Motor.
Go! Go! Go, 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 go! 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 Goed zo! Ga er maar in. Hard chase.
How do you feel about the music at breakfast?
It's super entertaining. So calming and soothing.
Yes.
Especially when I didn't have my coffee.
Yeah. We zijn alweer aan het vreten. 5 minuten na je ontbijt.
We're going to make some lanterns today. We have pencils, we have paints.
Okay, so Unique and I booked a cooking class at a vegan restaurant and they're going to pick us up by motorbike. Quite exciting. And here they are. And now we're going to learn to make bang xiao. Xin chào! So this is the white dragon fruit where it goes up. And this has a curly leaf, and this is the red dragon fruit. Really nice.
Waar smaakt het naar? What does it taste like?
It's very liquidy.
It's a milky apple, by the way, and that is custard apple.
It's more of a melon than an apple.
Melon. Okay,
Yeah.
I'll try. So she's making our favorite dish, the bang xeo, the Vietnamese pancake.
Hot oil.
Hot oil.
Yeah,
So we wait.
You have the pancake mixture. There's some onions, some carrots,
yeah,
some mushroom,
yeah,
turmeric powder.
yeah.
Okay. It's a mixture of wheat and rice.
Mixed pork.
Yes.
Okay.
All right, here we go. Yeah, it looks like bang xeo.
It's coconut time. Niet lekker?
Ja, dankjewel. Ja, doe ik wel vaker.
Ze gaat zo natte voeten krijgen.